Part one, the Ski Town Grind, Episode one, Seasonal Reality Check by Coleman Bourne. So you're thinking about starting a business in a ski town? Let me tell you, it's an amazing lifestyle, but you've got to understand the seasonal flow to make it work. Here in Steamboat, summer is actually the busiest time for a lot of local businesses, especially in trades, construction, and painting. The weather's perfect, the work stacks up fast, and you need to be ready to scale up and move quickly. But come winter, things slow down. There's still work, but it's not the same pace. If you want to keep your crew busy, you'll either need a second business or a winter hustle to bridge the gap. And here's the other part, staffing. Summer is when you bring in your seasonal workers. It's fast, it's heavy, and you need hands. In the winter, try building a crew of ski bums. I'm serious. There's a lot of good workers up here who just want to ride in the mornings and work in the afternoon. Figure out how to tap into that rhythm. I'm Coleman Bourne with Born to Paint and Broker Steamboat. I've been navigating this for a while, and this series is all about helping you get a head start. So hit that like button, comment, follow for part two. We're talking about why locals are everything at Born to Paint and Broker Steamboat.